In this video, in couple minutes, I'm going to share with you how to remove the alternator on your favorite Toyota Tercel. Let's get started. First, we have to disconnect the negative battery cable. Let's go take a look where the alternator is located, and as you can see it on the right hand side near the firewall on the bottom of the engine. Alright, let's disconnect the electrical connector. Just push the tab in and pull the connector out. Pretty simple. Alright, now 10mm socket to remove the main battery cable. Undo that guy. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Very appreciated that. Okay, cable is removed. 12mm socket to remove the upper alternator adjustment bolt. Let's take that guy out. Alright, and now 14mm wrench to loose the bottom alternator bolt. Okay, let's release the tension and take the belt of the alternator pulley. If this video is helpful, put a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comments, put them down in the comment section below. Alright, belt is removed. Now tap the end of the bolt to push it out a bit. Needle nose pliers to grab the bolt and slowly pry it out, and yeah, will come out. As you can see, bolt is coming out, and yeah, simple as that. Toyota Tercel, little dinosaur, very fuel efficient, nice vehicle. Okay, bolt is removed. Oops. Yeah, now we are going to wiggle alternator from side to side and remove it from the bracket. Here we go, nice and easy. Guys, if this video is helpful, please put a thumbs up, and yeah, alternator is removed, and installation is always in reverse, opposite to removal. Wilson Aftermarket, and thank you so much for your time watching this video. Appreciate it. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.